Hi guys, my name is Bridget Sturbance. I'm a student at Cal State Long Beach, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a beanie as a holiday gift. It's a great way to avoid fast fashion. It uses little to no materials, super affordable, and a really thoughtful gift. Okay, so you're going to need some yarn, a crocheting needle, some measuring tape, and some scissors. We're going to start off by making a slip knot by making a loop and then pulling the excess string through it. And then you're going to grab the crocheting needle and take the longer side of the yarn connected to the ball and pull the string over the needle and through the loop. And you're just going to continue that process probably 35 to 40 times. You're going to look at the length of the string and measure it from the crown of your head to the base of your eyebrow to see how long the beanie needs to be. Once you're done with that, you're going to start doing a double crochet, and that is going to be 2 loops that you pull through the original knot. And you're just going to kind of like repeat this process over and over. It's kind of tedious, but once you get the hang of it, it goes by really fast. As you can see, she's pulling it over, through, and then over again so that you get 2 loops. And I'll add a link to the WikiHow crochet page just to give a little bit more context if it's needed. There'll also be a link to all of the materials used in the video. Okay, so once you get to the end, you're going to flip it over and create a double chain and connect it to that opposite side of the piece. And repeat the exact same process with a double crochet all the way down. And you're just going to do this until you get about 21 inches of the pieces. Right now she has 8. This is a piece that she's been working on that she hasn't finished yet. Okay, once you get to the desired length, like I said, this one is only 8 inches. It needs to be about 21 inches to make a full beanie. But you're just going to go ahead and do a single stitch all the way down and all the way down to the end of it to seal it, and then you're going to create your beanie, but it's going to be inside out. So it's all done. You're going to go ahead and flip it inside out to make the stitching go on the inside. And there you go. This one is like a little baby beanie, maybe for your pet. But she has one right here that is a full-size one. Super cute. Really easy once you get the hang of it. You can see the inside right there. And such a great gift for the winter. Labor of love. All right, thanks for watching, you guys.